guys, welcome to Douche House because
कोई सेंस है इस बात की? हमें बहुत लग रही थी उस टाइम। हमें तो हाथ मिलाए गले मिले एक दूसरे से। क्या बढ़िया आइडिया आया भाई।
so many of you guys have reached out to me asking for advice related to cryptocurrency and how you can get started with the whole crypto market in general. And the most asked question related to cryptocurrency has been, should I buy Dogecoin? So today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin, who made it, why they made it, and why it is such a good investment property or not. We'll find it together. But before we do, go ahead and click that like button so the YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And without further ado, let's get into it. So, Dogecoin was invented in 2013 by two software engineers called Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. These two thought of creating a baby out of cryptocurrencies and their favorite meme at the time, which was a dog meme that you may all have seen. I'm gonna put it here just for your reference. Now, in 2013, there were a little over 5,000 cryptocurrencies available in the market, and the number has grown over the time in 2021 being 7,800 cryptocurrencies in the market. Again, it was supposed to be a joke currency, and even its creators thought it was a joke that it got so hyped up and so pumped up. So much so that back when Dogecoin was first invented, the creator Billy Marcus actually sold all his Dogecoins and bought an old Honda car. I don't know which car it was, but it was an old one. Now let's talk about what's so special about Dogecoin and why it's such a huge market right now. Well, the real easy answer is nothing. It's nothing. There's nothing special about it. Now, the only thing that I might think is of value when it comes to Dogecoin is that it processes faster than Bitcoin. But other than that, it has no real redeeming value other than influencers hyping it up. And that's the key reason behind Dogecoin's success. So the whole Dogecoin parade was actually started by Elon Musk, the founder of Tesla and someone with a broken sense of humor. So Elon Musk was dubbed the Doge father by the crypto community because every time he tweeted about Dogecoin, the price of the cryptocurrency went higher, and with it, its demand increased as well. Pro tip, kiddos, don't take financial advice from a Twitter account. He even appeared on Saturday Night Live 2 days ago, and many people thought whenever he mentions Dogecoin on the show, the price for the currency is gonna go even higher and reach new highs, and hence take Dogecoin to the moon. But psych, he called it a hustle. As a joke maybe, but still. Due to this, the price for Dogecoin fell by 25%, all in an hour. But he's not the only one who invested in it. Many people like Mark Cuban, Snoop Dogg, Amanda Sonny, and Mia Khalifa invested in it and asked more people to invest in the cryptocurrency in order to make the price go higher and the demand go higher with it. And that worked to a certain extent because many people who invested in the early days of cryptocurrency, hell, at the beginning of 2021, are now millionaires. But even after knowing all of this, I still went to the Reddit section which covers every news about Dogecoin to learn how the community feels about it and what they think about the cryptocurrency themselves. And surprise, surprise, they don't. They don't know anything about it, and most of them, they're just trying to get the $1 mark on it. Most of the memes and posts that I saw there were related to making more people join in the whole hype and making people fear missing out on this golden opportunity that's gonna make them a millionaire. And the core principle for all the posts was that the Dogecoin currency should hit $1 and no one should sell it after that. Because almost 95% of the community fears that when the Dogecoin hits the $1 mark, everyone is gonna sell and the price of the currency is gonna go down to zero, and which is something that I think is gonna happen as well. And the reason that experts hate Dogecoin so much is that the entirety of the Dogecoin market is controlled by 100 wallets, i.e. 100 people. And 65% of all Dogecoin is regulated and distributed amongst 98 of these wallets. And just 5 of those wallets are actually supplying 40% of all Dogecoin in the market. So if one of these days the 5 wallets decide to cash out, the price of Dogecoin is gonna go down to zero like that. But even after all that, Is it a good investment? Have people made money with it? Yes. Will people make money with it? Maybe. Will you make money with it? If you invest, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a financial advisor. But setting all that aside, should you invest in Dogecoin? The simple answer is yes. If you hate yourself. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so don't hold me accountable if you have any losses. That being said, if you're holding on to Dogecoin right now and it's profitable, sell it right now. And if you're someone who's thinking about buying Dogecoin, just don't. The reason I say all this is because the only pro and the only feasibility that I can think of Dogecoin is that it processes faster than Bitcoin, and that's about it. It doesn't have any other pros that I talked about Bitcoin in my last video, which I'll leave the link for up here. It does not have a limited supply. It is not regulated by anyone, which is pretty okay, which is fine, but I don't know, it has no other feasibility. It has an unlimited supply, plus the price is solely being upped by the hype around it and the celebrities reading about it. And that's gonna die down like any other trend that you may have seen over the past decade. And once it does, you're gonna lose all your money, and then you're gonna come back to me and then say, Sahaj, tune bataya nahi. So next week, I'm gonna be making a video about the returns that I've seen from cryptocurrencies that I bought in my last week's video, and see whether cryptocurrency is a worthwhile investment opportunity for you guys or not. And that's all from my side. Don't forget to click the like button and leave a comment down in the comment sections. And that's all from my side. Sayonara, Sammy. Sayonara. That actually did not make sense.